With this, we believe it is best to end the program with respect for everyone involved. As we close this chapter, we look back with pride and gratitude for everything we have achieved together. From our humble beginnings to the milestones we reached, every moment was made special because of your support. To our viewers and supporters, thank you for being with us for the past 3 years. It has been our honor to bring laughter, joy, and surprises into your lives. Though Mga Jaggers is ending, the memories we created will always remain. Mga tunay na Jaggers, hindi pa ito ang ating pinal na pamamaalam. Magpapatuloy pa rin tayo sa ating huling season at sisikapin naming sulitin ang buong panahon upang makapaghatid ng natatanging saya at kasiyahan sa ating madla. Maraming salamat, mga tunay na Jaggers.
Yan po ang anunsyo ng isa sa mga Jaggers host na si Gabriel Ansaldo tungkol sa kinabukasan ng mga Jaggers. To the hosts, co-hosts, and staff ng mga Jaggers and Production MGA, we are looking forward to the final season of mga Jaggers and the future of the production company. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng tawa at saya ng mga manonood, hindi lang sa Play Network Plus, kundi sa iba pang mga TV networks na nagpapalabas ng programang mga Jaggers. And that's all for the week-long entertainment news dito sa Pop News Beat Express. Para sa iba pang mga chika, huwag kalimutang panoorin ang Pop News Beat Nightly mamaya pagkatapos ng Vibe Nights dito lang sa Play Pop. Ako po si Ayamay Evangelista. Happy weekend mga ka-play! Back to you Sir Kenny, Miss Christina.